Let's go solve the math. We can do this if we will to try. Our topic is very easy. Nature of the roots. We know to teach how to solve it. So you know how to do to solve a better. You need to listen and more knowledge to earn. To use it in a single moment. Still try. So don't be afraid so that you can pass all of this. Let's go solve the math. We can do this if we will to try. Our topic is very easy. Nature of the roots.
Lesson 1, Nature of the Roots.
Hey guys, welcome to our math tutorial video. For today, we're gonna tackle about the nature of roots.
Speaking of nature of roots, what does it mean?
The discriminant determines the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. The word nature refers to the type of numbers the roots can be, namely real, rational, irrational, or imaginary.
These are the nature of the roots. When b squared negative 4ac is equal to 0 and the real numbers are equal. When 4ac is greater than 0 in a perfect square, then the roots are rational numbers that are not equal. When b squared negative 4ac is greater than to 0 but not perfect square, then the roots are irrational and are not equal.
When b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. Here are the steps on how to solve nature of roots.
Step 1. Determine the values of a, b, and c. Step 2. Write the given formula by b squared negative 4ac.
A equals to 1, b equals to negative 4, and c equals to 4. B squared minus 4ac.
Step 3, the values of A, B, and C in the given formula.
B is negative 4 squared minus 4. A equals A is 1. Then C is 4. As in 4. Step 4. Solve the given result. And step 5. Check the solution if necessary. Negative 4 times 2 is as in 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4, then 4 times 4 equals 16. Then x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Determine the values of a, b, and c. A equals 1, b equals negative 4, and c equals to 4. Then write the formula. B squared minus 4ac. Then substitute. B is negative 4 squared minus 4. A equals to 1. Then c equals to 4. Then multiply. So 4 times 4 equals to 16 minus 4 times 1 equals to 4. Then 4 times 4 equals to 16. Then the discriminant is 0. If the discriminant is 0, the real numbers are equal.
The given is x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, then c is equals to 5. Write the formula b squared negative 4ac. Substitute
the value. The value of B is 2 squared, negative 4. The value of A is 1. Then the value of C is 5. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Negative 4 multiplied by 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by positive 5 is negative 20. 4 minus 20 is negative 16. Negative 16 is less than 0, and then the equation has no real roots. The given is x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Determine the A, B, and C. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 7, and C is equals to 10. Write the formula. B squared negative 4AC. Then substitute the value of B is 7 squared. Negative 4. The value of A is 1. The value of C is 10. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. Negative 4 multiplied by positive 1 is negative 4. Multiplied by positive 10 is equals to negative 40. 49 minus 40 is equals to 9. The discriminant 9 is greater than 0 and it's a perfect square. Then the roots are rational but are not equal.
Nature of the roots.
Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.